Halo semuanya, video kali ini berisi kalimat-kalimat yang umum dipakai dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Mari kita latih bersama-sama kalimat-kalimat tersebut dan kamu akan cepat mahir dalam berbahasa Inggris. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
What is the best method to learn? What is the best method to learn?
Apa metode terbaik untuk belajar?
He tried a variety of sports. He tried a variety of sports.
Dia mencoba berbagai macam olahraga.
We need to establish clear rules. We need to establish clear rules.
Kita perlu menetapkan aturan yang jelas.
His temperament makes him easy to like. His temperament makes him easy to like.
Temperamennya membuat dia mudah disukai.
He replaced the old razor blade. He replaced the old razor blade.
Dia mengganti pisau cukur yang lama.
This ATM can dispense cash quickly. This ATM can dispense cash quickly.
ATM ini dapat mengeluarkan uang tunai dengan cepat.
He used a tube to siphon water. He used a tube to siphon water. He used a tube to siphon water. He wears a black leather belt. He wears a black leather belt.
Dia memakai ikat pinggang kulit berwarna hitam.
Please remove the plastic wrapper first. Please remove the plastic wrapper first.
Tolong lepaskan bungkus plastiknya terlebih dahulu.
They embrace new challenges with confidence. They embrace new challenges with confidence.
Mereka menghadapi tantangan baru dengan percaya diri.
He is a renowned heart surgeon. He is a renowned heart surgeon.
Dia adalah seorang ahli bedah jantung yang terkenal.
She is a friendly receptionist. She is a friendly receptionist.
Dia adalah seorang resepsionis yang ramah.
Teachers help students understand lessons very well. Teachers help students understand lessons very well.
Guru membantu siswa memahami pelajaran dengan sangat baik.
Pilots fly planes safely to different locations. Pilots fly planes safely to different locations.
Pilot menerbangkan pesawat dengan aman ke berbagai lokasi.
They are both experienced project managers. They are both experienced project managers.
Mereka berdua adalah manajer proyek yang berpengalaman.
She is a creative writer. She is a creative writer.
Dia adalah seorang penulis yang kreatif.
He is a skilled carpenter. He is a skilled carpenter.
Dia adalah seorang tukang kayu yang terampil.
Dentists take care of teeth and dental health. Dentists take care of teeth and dental health.
Dokter gigi merawat gigi dan kesehatan mulut.
Barbers cut hair and style it as requested. Barbers cut hair and style it as requested.
Tukang cukur memotong rambut dan menatanya sesuai permintaan.
Detectives investigate crimes and gather evidence. Detectives investigate crimes and gather evidence.
Detektif menyelidiki kejahatan dan mengumpulkan bukti.
The cake was too big for the plate. The cake was too big for the plate.
Kue itu terlalu besar untuk piringnya.
She lives in a small apartment. She lives in a small apartment.
Dia tinggal di apartemen kecil.
The window is made of glass. The window is made of glass.
Jendela itu terbuat dari kaca.
She climbed the tree to get a better view. She climbed the tree to get a better view.
Dia memanjat pohon untuk mendapatkan pandangan yang lebih baik.
The book is very old. The book is very old.
Buku itu sangat tua.
The stove is very hot right now. The stove is very hot right now.
Kompor ini sangat panas sekarang.
I need to clean off my desk. I need to clean off my desk.
Saya perlu membersihkan meja saya.
He helps his parents every weekend. He helps his parents every weekend.
Dia membantu orang tuanya setiap akhir pekan.
Follow this road until you reach the bridge. Follow this road until you reach the bridge.
Ikuti jalan ini sampai kamu mencapai jembatan.
I need a bag for my groceries. I need a bag for my groceries.
Saya butuh tas untuk belanjaan saya.
She collected seashells on the beach. She collected seashells on the beach.
Dia mengumpulkan kerang di pantai.
I met a new friend at the party. I met a new friend at the party.
Aku bertemu teman baru di pesta.
The library has many new books. The library has many new books.
Perpustakaan memiliki banyak buku baru.
They climbed the mountain last summer. They climbed the mountain last summer.
Mereka mendaki gunung musim panas lalu.
He solved the problem easily. He solved the problem easily.
Dia menyelesaikan masalah dengan mudah.
She placed the book gently on the shelf. She placed the book gently on the shelf.
Dia meletakkan buku itu dengan lembut di rak.
He bought a new chair for his desk. He bought a new chair for his desk.
Dia membeli kursi baru untuk mejanya.
They cook together on weekends. They cook together on weekends.
Mereka memasak bersama di akhir pekan.
She drove for hours to reach her destination. She drove for hours to reach her destination.
Dia mengemudi selama berjam-jam untuk mencapai tujuannya.
We watched the bird fly away. We watched the bird fly away.
Kami melihat burung itu terbang pergi.
I am frustrated with this homework. I am frustrated with this homework.
Saya frustrasi dengan pekerjaan rumah ini.
She submitted her resignation letter to the company. She submitted her resignation letter to the company.
Dia menyerahkan surat pengunduran dirinya kepada perusahaan.
The witness handed over the evidence to the police. The witness handed over the evidence to the police.
Saksi itu menyerahkan bukti kepada polisi.
It's important to spend quality time with your family. It's important to spend quality time with your family.
Penting untuk menghabiskan waktu berkualitas dengan keluarga Anda.
Finding the ideal partner is difficult. Finding the ideal partner is difficult.
Menemukan pasangan yang ideal itu sulit.
I am curious about the new restaurant. I am curious about the new restaurant.
Saya penasaran tentang restoran baru itu.
She discarded the empty bottle. She discarded the empty bottle.
Dia membuang botol kosong itu.
She is hopeful about the future. She is hopeful about the future.
Dia merasa penuh harapan tentang masa depan.
The truck dumped a load of gravel on the driveway. The truck dumped a load of gravel on the driveway.
Truk membuang muatan kerikil di jalan masuk.
She is playing with a doll. She is playing with a doll.
Dia sedang bermain dengan boneka.
She lives in a big city near the beach. She lives in a big city near the beach.
Dia tinggal di kota besar dekat pantai.
She wants to become a famous artist. She wants to become a famous artist.
Dia ingin menjadi seniman terkenal.
We need a fast solution to this problem. We need a fast solution to this problem.
Kita butuh solusi cepat untuk masalah ini.
A balanced diet helps you stay healthy. A balanced diet helps you stay healthy.
Diet seimbang membantumu tetap sehat.
The plane will fly to New York. The plane will fly to New York.
Pesawat akan terbang ke New York.
Her reveries were filled with dreams of a better life. Her reveries were filled with dreams of a better life.
Lamunannya dipenuhi dengan mimpi tentang kehidupan yang lebih baik.
Family traditions are passed down from generation to generation. Family traditions are passed down from generation to generation.
Tradisi keluarga diturunkan dari generasi ke generasi.
The free trade zone encourages economic growth. The free trade zone encourages economic growth.
Zona perdagangan bebas mendorong pertumbuhan ekonomi.
She booked a room at the hotel online. She booked a room at the hotel online.
Dia memesan kamar di hotel secara online.
She hurried to finish her homework. She hurried to finish her homework.
Dia terburu-buru menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumahnya.
She handled the delicate vase carefully. She handled the delicate vase carefully.
Dia menangani vas yang rapuh dengan hati-hati.
This is a significant achievement. This is a significant achievement.
Ini adalah pencapaian yang signifikan.
She is very active in her community. She is very active in her community.
Dia sangat aktif di komunitasnya.
The view from the top was impressive. The view from the top was impressive.
Pemandangan dari atas sangat mengesankan.
The drive through the mountains was scenic. The drive through the mountains was scenic.
Perjalanan melalui pegunungan sangat indah.
We intend to finish the project. We intend to finish the project.
Kami berniat menyelesaikan proyek.
Life means different things to people. Life means different things to people.
Hidup berarti hal yang berbeda bagi orang.
He applied pressure to the wound. He applied pressure to the wound.
Dia menekan luka itu.
He sent a package to his friend. He sent a package to his friend.
Dia mengirim paket ke temannya.
I forwarded the complaint to the customer service. I forwarded the complaint to the customer service.
Saya meneruskan keluhan itu ke layanan pelanggan.
They quietly left the room without a word. They quietly left the room without a word.
Mereka meninggalkan ruangan dengan tenang tanpa sepatah kata.
They used a light to see in the dark. They used a light to see in the dark.
Mereka menggunakan cahaya untuk melihat di kegelapan.
We will happily join you for dinner. We will happily join you for dinner.
Kami dengan senang hati akan bergabung denganmu untuk makan malam.
They received excellent reviews for their hotel. They received excellent reviews for their hotel.
Mereka menerima ulasan yang sangat baik untuk hotel mereka.
It is normal to feel nervous before an exam. It is normal to feel nervous before an exam.
Merupakan hal yang normal merasa gugup sebelum ujian.
We plan to visit Paris next summer. We plan to visit Paris next summer.
Kami berencana mengunjungi Paris musim panas depan.
They plan to decorate the living room. They plan to decorate the living room.
Mereka berencana untuk mendekorasi ruang tamu.
The sign warns of danger ahead. The sign warns of danger ahead.
Tanda itu memperingatkan adanya bahaya di depan.
They planned an outdoor activity today. They planned an outdoor activity today.
Mereka merencanakan kegiatan luar ruangan hari ini.
The warm room made me feel sleepy. The warm room made me feel sleepy.
Ruangan yang hangat membuat saya merasa mengantuk.
Walking is a simple form of exercise. Walking is a simple form of exercise.
Berjalan adalah bentuk olahraga yang sederhana.
I use my phone to check emails every day. I use my phone to check emails every day.
Saya menggunakan ponsel saya untuk memeriksa email setiap hari.
I need to take a break from work. I need to take a break from work.
Saya perlu istirahat sejenak dari pekerjaan.
He is responsible for carrying out the project. He is responsible for carrying out the project.
Dia bertanggung jawab untuk melaksanakan proyek ini.
The apartment was occupied by a young couple. The apartment was occupied by a young couple.
Apartemen tersebut dihuni oleh pasangan muda.
Please accept this gift from me. Please accept this gift from me.
Tolong terima hadiah ini dari saya.
I want to cancel my order. I want to cancel my order.
Saya ingin membatalkan pesanan saya.
She can read English well. She can read English well.
Dia bisa membaca bahasa Inggris dengan baik.
She is reading a book. She is reading a book.
Dia sedang membaca buku.
There are many patients in the hospital. There are many patients in the hospital.
Ada banyak pasien di rumah sakit.
He prefers green tea over black tea. He prefers green tea over black tea.
Dia lebih suka teh hijau daripada teh hitam.
He has a bright smile on his face. He has a bright smile on his face.
Dia memiliki senyum cerah di wajahnya.
They arrange the flowers beautifully. They arrange the flowers beautifully.
Mereka menyusun bunga-bunga dengan indah.
He spoke in a clear and loud voice. He spoke in a clear and loud voice.
Dia berbicara dengan suara yang jelas dan keras.
We enjoy a walk through the forest. We enjoy a walk through the forest.
Kami menikmati berjalan-jalan di hutan.
We should organize our clothes by color. We should organize our clothes by color.
Kita harus mengatur pakaian kita berdasarkan warna.
She collects stamps from different countries. She collects stamps from different countries.
Dia mengumpulkan perangko dari berbagai negara.
Social media connects people globally. Social media connects people globally.
Media sosial menghubungkan orang secara global.
They treated him coldly after the mistake. They treated him coldly after the mistake.
Mereka memperlakukannya dengan dingin setelah kesalahan itu.
They thanked him warmly for his help. They thanked him warmly for his help.
Mereka mengucapkan terima kasih dengan hangat atas bantuannya.
She wants to count up everything she spent. She wants to count up everything she spent.
Dia ingin melihat total dari pengeluarannya.
Accidents can occur during bad weather. Accidents can occur during bad weather.
Kecelakaan bisa terjadi saat cuaca buruk.
I often visualize myself performing on stage. I often visualize myself performing on stage.
Saya sering membayangkan diri saya tampil di atas panggung.
The sculpture in the gallery is incredible. The sculpture in the gallery is incredible.
Patung karya seni di galeri itu luar biasa.
The equation shows an identity in mathematics. The equation shows an identity in mathematics.
Persamaan ini menunjukkan identitas dalam matematika.
The establishment of new rules improved efficiency. The establishment of new rules improved efficiency.
Penetapan peraturan baru meningkatkan efisiensi.
The company ensures conformity with regulations. The company ensures conformity with regulations.
Perusahaan memastikan kepatuhan terhadap peraturan.
They appealed for help after the disaster. They appealed for help after the disaster.
Mereka memohon bantuan setelah bencana.
She has no regard for his feelings. She has no regard for his feelings.
Dia tidak memperhatikan perasaannya.
A disaster preparedness plan can save lives. A disaster preparedness plan can save lives.
Rencana kesiapsiagaan bencana dapat menyelamatkan nyawa.
The sun shines brightly in the morning. The sun shines brightly in the morning.
Matahari bersinar terang di pagi hari.
The hospital is open 24 hours daily. The hospital is open 24 hours daily.
Rumah sakit buka 24 jam sehari?
She gave a clear answer to the question. She gave a clear answer to the question.
Dia memberikan jawaban yang jelas pada pertanyaan itu.
The telescope improves our vision of distant stars. The telescope improves our vision of distant stars.
Teleskop itu meningkatkan penglihatan kita terhadap bintang-bintang yang jauh.
He learned to ride a bicycle when he was young. He learned to ride a bicycle when he was young.
Dia belajar mengendarai sepeda saat masih kecil.
Being decisive is important in leadership. Being decisive is important in leadership.
Bersikap tegas penting dalam kepemimpinan.
Being cautious helps avoid accidents. Being cautious helps avoid accidents.
Bersikap hati-hati membantu menghindari kecelakaan.
He showed strong determination. He showed strong determination.
Dia menunjukkan tekad yang kuat.
He gave a polite answer to the question. He gave a polite answer to the question.
Dia memberikan jawaban yang sopan untuk pertanyaan itu.
They need a competent person for the job. They need a competent person for the job.
Mereka memerlukan orang yang kompeten untuk pekerjaan itu.
She made a strategic plan for the project. She made a strategic plan for the project.
Dia membuat rencana strategis untuk proyek itu.
His observant nature helps him notice details. His observant nature helps him notice details.
Sifatnya yang jeli membantunya memperhatikan detail.
He showed great dedication to the project. He showed great dedication to the project.
Dia menunjukkan dedikasi yang besar terhadap proyek.
His timely arrival was appreciated. His timely arrival was appreciated.
Kedatangannya yang tepat waktu sangat dihargai.
She gave a tactful explanation. She gave a tactful explanation.
Dia memberikan penjelasan yang bijaksana.
I want to read a comic book. I want to read a comic book.
Saya ingin membaca buku komik.
We accept credit cards here. We accept credit cards here.
Kami menerima kartu kredit di sini.
What color is your bag? What color is your bag?
Apa warna tas kamu?
We need to allocate time for study. We need to allocate time for study.
Kita perlu mengalokasikan waktu untuk belajar.
He brings a gift to the party. He brings a gift to the party.
Dia membawa hadiah ke pesta.
We need a secure password. We need a secure password.
Kita membutuhkan kata sandi yang aman.
I am very grateful for your help. I am very grateful for your help.
Saya sangat bersyukur atas bantuanmu.
Her speech was very inspirational. Her speech was very inspirational.
Pidatonya sangat menginspirasi.
She made it look effortless. She made it look effortless.
Dia membuatnya terlihat seperti tanpa usaha.
His skillful work impressed everyone. His skillful work impressed everyone.
Pekerjaannya yang terampil mengesankan semua orang.
We are playing now. We are playing now.
Kita bermain sekarang.
I will call you later. I will call you later.
Saya akan menelepon kamu nanti.
We are relieved to be home. We are relieved to be home.
Kita lega berada di rumah.
We go to a party tonight. We go to a party tonight.
Kita pergi ke pesta malam ini.
They enjoy shopping together. They enjoy shopping together.
Mereka menikmati belanja bersama.
Today is a sunny day. Today is a sunny day.
Hari ini adalah hari yang cerah.
We are happy to be together. We are happy to be together.
Kami senang bisa bersama.
We are excited to go on vacation. We are excited to go on vacation.
Kami bersemangat untuk pergi berlibur.
Studying is important for success. Studying is important for success.
Belajar itu penting untuk sukses.
The ocean waves are so beautiful. The ocean waves are so beautiful.
Ombak laut sangat indah.
We are eating dinner now. We are eating dinner now.
Kita sedang makan malam sekarang.
We can sing. We can sing.
Kita bisa bernyanyi.
He cooks a delicious cake. He cooks a delicious cake.
Dia memasak kue yang lezat.
I like to read books. I like to read books.
Saya suka membaca buku.
I tried to cancel the noise. I tried to cancel the noise.
Saya mencoba menghilangkan suara bising itu.
Sampling is used to collect data from a group. Sampling is used to collect data from a group.
Pengambilan sampel digunakan untuk mengumpulkan data dari kelompok.
Think of a beautiful place you want to visit. Think of a beautiful place you want to visit.
Bayangkan tempat indah yang ingin kamu kunjungi.
His actions reflect his true character. His actions reflect his true character.
Tindakannya merefleksikan karakter aslinya.
The keys can be found on the table. The keys can be found on the table.
Kuncinya dapat ditemukan di atas meja.
This specimen of the plant is rare and valuable. This specimen of the plant is rare and valuable.
Sampel tanaman ini langka dan berharga.
She is interested in astrology and horoscopes. She is interested in astrology and horoscopes.
Dia tertarik dengan astrologi dan ramalan bintang.
The refinement of the design took a lot of time. The refinement of the design took a lot of time.
Penyempurnaan desain itu memakan waktu lama.
This shirt and pants are a perfect match. This shirt and pants are a perfect match.
Kemeja dan celana ini sangat cocok.
The company will conform to the new regulations. The company will conform to the new regulations.
Perusahaan tersebut akan menyesuaikan dengan peraturan baru.
Legalization of the process was necessary for its success. Legalization of the process was necessary for its success.
Pengakuan hukum terhadap proses itu penting untuk kesuksesannya.
The prisoner was consigned to a lonely cell. The prisoner was consigned to a lonely cell.
Narapidana itu ditempatkan di sel yang sepi.
She was relegated to the sidelines after the injury. She was relegated to the sidelines after the injury.
Dia tersisih setelah cedera.
The child is learning to walk backward. The child is learning to walk backward.
Anak itu belajar berjalan mundur.
Her strange behavior baffled her friends. Her strange behavior baffled her friends.
Perilaku anehnya membingungkan teman-temannya.
Put your books in the bag. Put your books in the bag.
Masukkan buku-buku kamu ke dalam tas.
The confirmation of the order was sent yesterday. The confirmation of the order was sent yesterday.
Konfirmasi pesanan itu dikirim kemarin.
He was involved in a serious case. He was involved in a serious case.
Dia terlibat dalam sebuah perkara serius.
The farmers worked hard to ensure sustenance for their families. The farmers worked hard to ensure sustenance for their families.
Para petani bekerja keras untuk menjamin kelangsungan hidup keluarga mereka.
He believed it was his destiny to become famous. He believed it was his destiny to become famous.
Dia percaya bahwa itu adalah takdirnya untuk menjadi terkenal.
He made a modification to the original design. He made a modification to the original design.
Dia melakukan perubahan pada desain asli.
They are reading a story about animals. They are reading a story about animals.
Mereka membaca cerita tentang hewan.
It's a bit chilly outside this morning. It's a bit chilly outside this morning.
Agak dingin di luar pagi ini.
They played a silly game together. They played a silly game together.
Mereka bermain permainan konyol bersama.
They play music at the party every night. They play music at the party every night.
Mereka memutar musik di pesta setiap malam.
He carefully placed the vase on the table. He carefully placed the vase on the table.
Dia menempatkan vas di meja dengan hati-hati.
They gently rocked the baby to sleep. They gently rocked the baby to sleep.
Mereka mengayun bayi itu dengan lembut hingga tertidur.
The town is known for its historic buildings. The town is known for its historic buildings.
Kota itu dikenal dengan bangunan bersejarahnya.
They asked her to speak more slowly. They asked her to speak more slowly.
Mereka memintanya untuk berbicara lebih lambat.
They were angry about the late delivery. They were angry about the late delivery.
Mereka marah tentang pengiriman yang terlambat.
I will talk to the manager about the issue. I will talk to the manager about the issue.
Saya akan berbicara dengan manajer tentang masalah ini.